In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product variations in your Shopify store, specifically focusing on adding color and size variants seamlessly. Ensuring your products have the right variations is essential for providing your customers with a flexible shopping experience, but getting started might seem a bit daunting if you're new to the platform. Don't worry, we're going to walk through this together step by step. First, make sure you're logged in to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. This is where you'll manage almost everything related to your Shopify store, so a quick look around can be helpful. Now, direct your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll see various options for managing your store. You're going to click on the Products tab. Let's give it a click now. This section is your main hub for managing all the items you have available for sale. From here, you can view all your products and make any necessary changes to them. Next on our list is selecting a specific product to work with. For this guide, we're going to use an item called Example Shirt 2. Scan through the list and find Example Shirt 2, then go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the main product details page. Here you can edit descriptions, prices, and other essential information. But for today, our focus will be on the products variants. Navigating to the Variants section next, you'll locate a tab aptly named Variants. Give that a click. It's within this section where you'll begin implementing the variations for Example Shirt 2. You might notice that if your item already has some variants set up, they'll be listed here giving you a clear overview of what's available to your customers. If you haven't set up any variants yet, we're going to do that now. To do this, look for an option to add or modify variations. Shopify allows you to differentiate your product by common attributes like size and color. So, for example, if your shirt comes in multiple colors and sizes, you can add these as your options. Not only does this keep your product listings neat, but it also improves the overall shopping experience for your customers. They'll appreciate being able to see all the options available to them at a glance. Before finishing, double-check your work. Make sure that each variant is accurately labeled and that the options are exactly what you want your customers to see. Once everything looks good, don't forget to save your changes. And that's it. Your product now has variations, allowing your customers to choose the perfect option that suits their needs. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful in polishing up your Shopify store.